Hey, welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on something invisible, a force that quietly threatens our superconnected world.
Okay, let's just state the obvious. We live in a world that is completely 100% dependent on being connected, right? But there's this hidden threat that could bring it all to a grinding halt. Now, this explainer, it's the kickoff to a 12-part series where we are going to dive deep into that very threat. And it's all based on this massive report from Virtualization Options LLC. I mean, just stop and think about it for a second. We're practically swimming in a sea of invisible signals. Your smartphone, your smart home, how businesses run, even our most critical infrastructure. I'm talking power grids, public safety. It all depends on this silent, seamless flow of wireless communication. So what happens when those signals just go silent? It's a question we hardly ever think about, right? Because we just expect it all to work. But let me tell you, the answer has huge consequences for every single one of us.
Well, the cause of that silence, that sudden disruption, is often this invisible force called radio frequency interference, or RFI for short. And honestly, it's probably one of the most underappreciated threats to our entire technological world.
So what is it exactly? The simplest way to think about it is noise. Just pure noise. You know that horrible static that just blasts your car radio and completely drowns out the song? Or imagine trying to have a serious conversation in the front row of a rock concert. It's impossible. That's RFI. It's an unwanted signal that's just overwhelming the one you're actually trying to hear. And here's where it gets really interesting. This interference, it really comes in two main flavors. You've got your unintentional kind, the stuff that comes from everyday devices, like a leaky microwave oven or maybe some faulty power lines. But then you have intentional interference, and that's the scary stuff. We're talking malicious, deliberate attacks from devices like jammers, specifically designed to create chaos. So look, the big takeaway here is that this is not just about your Netflix stream buffering or a video call getting a little glitchy. No way. The stakes are so much higher. This stuff touches pretty much every part of our modern lives. Right in your own home. RFI is that secret villain behind your Wi-Fi that's always dropping out, or that smart lock that suddenly refuses to open. Ever had a SIL call drop at the most critical moment? Or how about this one? Your car's keyless entry just stops working in a parking lot. These are those little daily frustrations that are actually hinting at a much bigger problem. But when you scale this up from your house to our whole society, wow, the risks become genuinely life-threatening. RFI can mess with communications for first responders, it can pose serious safety risks for aircraft navigation, it can cause critical errors in medical devices, think pacemakers, it can even threaten the stability of our entire power grid. And if you want to talk money, the economic scale of this problem is just staggering. Get this, the estimated annual cost of RFI to U.S. businesses and infrastructure alone is $150 billion. That's billion with a B. That's money just evaporating due to downtime, lost productivity, and this constant battle to fix a problem you can't even see. Okay, so with the stakes being that high, you can see why understanding this invisible threat is more critical than ever before. And that, my friends, is exactly what this 12-part tutorial series is all about. We're going to be your guide, breaking down everything you need to know about radio frequency interference. And we're not just making this up. Our entire series is grounded in the deep research from this really comprehensive report. It's called Radio Frequency Interference, Navigating the Invisible Threat to Connectivity, and it's by a tech research organization called Virtualization Options LLC. Yeah, these are the folks who've done all the heavy lifting, all the complex research into the data and the risks, and our job is to distill all that essential info down for you. So let's take a quick look at what's coming up. So, over the next 11 explainers, we're going to build your knowledge from the ground up. We'll start with the basics, the fundamentals, and the most common sources of RFI. Then we're going to do deep dives into how it hits you personally, your Wi-Fi, your smart home, your cell service. We'll also look at the big picture stuff, those life and death systems in transportation and medicine. And maybe most importantly, we'll finish up by looking at the actual strategies and tools we can use to find and fight back against this invisible threat. All right, let's wrap this up with one final thought that really sets the stage for the rest of the series. Think about this. As our world gets smarter and more connected, is it also becoming more fragile? Our dependency on wireless is a real double-edged sword. It gives us this incredible convenience, for sure, but it also creates these brand new invisible vulnerabilities. And understanding those is the first crucial step to navigating our wireless future safely. So I hope you'll join us for part 2. That's when we're going to dig into the really surprising sources and causes of RFI.